Hello and welcome to FI Learn, First Intuition's exclusive online learning platform. I'm here to show you around FI Learn and all of the great resources that are available to you. As an FI student, you will be given access to FI Learn upon booking your first course. For any further courses that you book, these will be added to your FI Learn account automatically. When you first log on to FI Learn, you will be able to see your dashboard, as you can see on the screen. You will have a list of your enrolled courses and your percentage completion. There are some other things available on your dashboard, such as the FI Hub with lots of useful blogs and articles, some qualification relevant information, such as exam software and study tips, calendar so that you can plan your mock exam deadlines, and also system notifications. Let's go and have a look at a course on FI Learn. Here is a course on FI Learn. So as you can see, you have green tiles which match the chapters in your course notes. If we go and have a look at one of those chapters, at the top you will see some learning objectives for what you need to achieve within the chapter. And then scrolling down, you will see a list of all of the pre-recorded lectures for this chapter. This will be a tutor going through the chapter in the course notes and making annotations. As you can see, they are all broken up into manageable chunks so that you can watch a recording at a time that suits you. You also have access to the question bank in an electronic format so that you can practice in the same environment as your exam. Also, there are further recordings of a tutor going through some of the more tricky questions within the question bank. After a series of chapters, you will be able to see a checkpoint. Here you have some additional questions called Test Your Learning. Once you've completed the Test Your Learning questions, you will be able to see some advice on the next steps for your course. You will also have access to a mock exam, which you will complete on FI Learn. Once you have completed the mock exam, it will be marked and then you will be able to see your feedback within the My Results section in your FI Learn course. Within reference resources, you've got all of the course material available in PDF format and also any additional resources that we think you would find useful on the course. Here we have a basic maths course, which is needed for this paper as there are some tricky maths areas. I hope you found this useful and I wish you every success on your course with First Intuition.